Happy Canada Day. Not sure if it's Canada Day where you are when you're watching this, but it is Canada Day today when I am making this fun, hot summer day dessert. Today we are making a brownie pie with 5 simple ingredients, quick and easy, no bake, perfect for these hot summer days. So let's get started, shall we? Hi, it's Linda from Labor of Life. I want to welcome you to my channel. Thanks for joining us today. And hopefully, if you like this, you will double tap, give me a thumbs up, maybe subscribe for a little bit of a boomer's love of food, fashion, and fun, and everything that incorporates. Let's get started. Right, so we cheated a little bit. I already put the parchment in the bottom of my pan because that makes it so much easier to dig out. So we're going to make the graham cracker crust to begin, and I just basically took probably about, I don't know, a third of a cup of butter. I'm going to dump in a bunch of fried 100 gram crumbs until I feel it's the right amount. Stir it up. Anyway, crumbs too. Normally, I make this pie in a round pan. It's really thick. We have a lot of people coming for dinner today, or for celebrations and a pool party. So I'm making it in a square pan. We'll serve smaller. Nice measuring, right? Anyway, we'll just dump this in. Probably add some more crumbs because that's nowhere near enough. That's probably actually this is the boring part, isn't it? Boring, boring, boring. As you want. For me right now, it's more about the actual filling and topping on a day like this. So, it's kind of what you're looking at. Probably gonna want to bake the crust because I didn't buy an actual ready-made crust. Shame on me, but let's do that, shall we? Okay, so while our crust is baking, 350 for 10 minutes. Let's make the actual filling. So we're going to start with 2 bricks of cream cheese. We're going to add a 1/4 cup of icing sugar. A little bit more than that. Anyway, I swear I'm always going to try this recipe without using the icing sugar because the brownie mix itself makes it really sweet, but not today. Today we're going to stick with the traditional method. Funny thing, look at this. I use these measuring cups. I have this beautiful set. I don't know why I don't use these, but anyway, let's get started and mix this up before we add the brownie mix and the Cool Whip. Oh, I forgot one ingredient. Shame on me. We need vanilla. Vanilla. A little bit to flavor. There we go. I like using this Mexican clear so it doesn't change the color. Not that that matters in this particular pie, but it may matter for other pies. Oh, let's get stirring, mixing, blending. Another part of the boring part of cooking, baking, creating is you watching me do this. Now, you can use a stand mixer if you prefer, but I didn't want to get the stand mixer today. Would have made it easier, less mess, less fuss, but anyway, we are doing this old school with the hand blender. And there's no special, just keep blending. So, have you ever tried to actually film a horizontal and a vertical at the same time? It's kind of stupid. But anyway, next step, Cool Whip. So you're gently supposed to fold the Cool Whip into the cream cheese mixture, and then you're adding your brownie mix at the end. So let's get folding. Gently fold. Why you're folding is because you don't want all the sweet of the Cool Whip and the cream cheese not being together. Look at that. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And we're going to take the brownie mix, literally dump this in. And I know it sounds really gross, but it is not. It is totally, totally delicious. Listen. We're going to be started. Not fast, it's really different. Thank you so much. Here, anyway, let's cheat on it. So I want it really nice and smooth. So maybe I'll amend or adapt the recipe so that I do that, right? I adapt my recipes all the time. So I change it. So today I also used a brownie mix. We're doing this just slow. Is it like relaxing watching somebody, or is it like boring? Sometimes I find it really relaxing. Mostly because I like to see how people do activities and do things. So that's fascinating for me. Anyway, oh, this looks so good. I used, as I started to say, I used a chocolate chunk. So there's going to be little pieces of chocolate in this one too. And I think I will actually put it in the freezer so it gets really cold. Oh man, that looks so good. Really and truly. Oh, look at that. Look how gooey. It's perfection. Anyway, just perfection. So we're gonna let our batter cool down, our filling cool down. We're gonna get our pie crust out of the oven, and then we're gonna put them together, and we're gonna serve them. You know what the best part of baking or making as an adult is? Not having to beg your mom to lick the beaters. Tell me I'm not the only one. Anyway, that is very good. It's perfect. Can't wait for you to see the final put together result of this. I made this beautiful centerpiece for outside, and I just splattered filling all over it. Okay, let's just share what we eat anyway. Great big mixing bowl. Love this. It is the Maison Cache. I love this bowl. I have a little chip in it, which is breaking my heart. But anyway, it is a perfect bowl. I use my KitchenAid hand mixer, as you just saw, and a couple of spatulas and measuring cups. So the gold measuring cups, just to share, I got in the Jilly box. little interruption while we wait for put together. So these were in the Jilly box and I love them. My centerpiece, also from the Jilly box. I'll tag both of these down below so you get the exact brand, because I can't remember right now because my mind is mush. Apron, that's from my mom. We just finished cleaning out our house. Sad story for another day. But anyway, found the umbrella, found the apron, and needed to bring it home. So, cheers to a complete list of supplies, sort of. Well, they'll be listed down below. Thanks.